Hello and welcome to a new video. Actually, I wanted to give a short overview and first impression of the Alldocube GT Book. And one thing I have to say is that the first impression of the laptop hardware is really good. The device is beautiful finished, especially when you consider the price of just over 300 euros. A beautiful device. Also the equipment with the Intel Celeron N5100, a generous 12 GB RAM and 256 GB SSD, Bluetooth 5.1 support and Wi-Fi 6 are not bad. The GT Book has a 14.1 inch screen with full HD resolution, a 5000 mAh battery and a razor low-Z 1 megapixel webcam. As far as that goes, it all sounds promising, but the Windows installation, I don't know what to make of it. The first time I was slightly irritated by the language selection. There was no British English to choose from. This is actually my language of choice for international laptops. Well, I thought maybe Alldocube just used an economic installation of Windows to save hard disk space. So I went ahead with the setup first. After this nerve-wracking Windows setup visit was over and I was almost deafened by the startup sound, I wanted to scale the volume down a bit. I don't know why, but when I hovered over the speaker symbol, I was greeted by Chinese characters. I didn't like that at all. So I started Windows Update and download all the updates to get a completely English Windows system. Did it work? Nope. Despite the fact that Windows is up to date, the volume control still shows me Chinese characters. I may be paranoid, but the combination of a limited language selection during the initial setup plus the Chinese characters make me doubt the integrity of the Windows system. The third point that finally prompted me not to write a review for the Alldocube GT Book is the battery life. Despite a 90% charge level, the laptop only has a runtime of just under 2.5 hours according to Windows when idling. There's something fishy about the Windows installation. My advice: only get the device if you can also do a clean reinstallation of Windows. With the Windows pre-installed, I wouldn't log in anywhere with a password, let alone banking or even logging in with my Microsoft account. Or do something good for your privacy and install a Linux. Because as I said, the hardware is really good for the price. Okay, that's it for now. If you have any questions or requests, for example if you want to see a video of me trying Linux on the GT Book, post them in the comments below, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye!